I'm Karen for ExpertVillage.
Now let's cut out our single piece. Just pin it down. This is our bottom leg section, and we only need to cut one of these. It's this piece right here. We only need to cut one of those. And cut that out as close as possible. I like to make the easy cuts first, and then I'll do the more detailed cuts here when my piece of fabric is smaller and I can hold it in my hand. Like I said, if you need a few more pins to hold that in place, put in as many pins as you want. You could also try, if it's difficult to cut while holding the pattern, you could try using a marking pencil, although the marking pencils don't mark so easily on this fuzzy fabric. But if you experiment, you might find a marking pencil that works. Okay, and let's cut the ears. I'm going to fold it in half because I'm going to need 4 ears. I'm going to cut one set here, and I folded it in half, putting the wrong sides together so that I end up with 2 right sides. And let me do that again. Fold it in half, put my ear pattern down, and pin it, and then cut around as closely as possible to the edge. Trim the end. Alright, now all our pieces are cut. We've cut one bottom. We cut 4 pieces of ears. And we have 2 doggy bodies.